let's kick into the solo of Sunshine of Your Love. The solo's awesome. It's really based around D minor pentatonic, adding some blues flavor, and also little sprinkles of some major in there too. It's really awesome because you have to focus on the bending, the vibrato, having the right tone, the right attack. That's what this solo is all about. Really make your guitar sing throughout this solo. So here we go, starting off with the first riff, all the way up here, just like this. And I'm bending up, basically trying to hit that 14th fret of the G string, but don't worry if you're kind of in between. That's kind of the beauty of the sound. It's like the notes in between the notes. So that's the first riff, broken down a little slower. Riff 2, we're going to slide our hand down here to the 9th fret on our G string now and stab that with a really cool bend. Then there's this really cool trick where you take your finger, your ring, and you lay it across the G and the B. And now it doesn't sound pretty necessarily, but it sounds amazing in the way with the song. And you bend those together just up a little bit. That one more time. Moving on to riff 3. Kind of a nod of the hat to riff 2 because we're adding that bend again. Very, very cool. Basically a call and response, just like in the blues. Riff 4 gets a little crazy, bending on that 10th fret of the G string and bending it up basically way past the note it might have wanted to hit. This might sound weird when you're practicing it. It might sound kind of crazy, but trust me, keep working on pushing it up. Think of this note as like you're going up a ladder, right? Ending that riff with a little callback. Remember, it's all about that melody, building the melody together. So one more time. Now we're gonna slide back up for the next riff into the little blues box here using our G and B strings together. That's a really kind of a cool little riff that's really close together. Total minor blues, minor kind of pentatonic lick. Now we're coming into the basically playing over the next set of chords, which is our kind of our chorus chords. We go. Now these are all riffs that are very, very much in that D minor pentatonic. So there's a lot of things that I might be playing here, but just remember, if you stay in that D minor pentatonic land, you're gonna be totally fine. So riff again. Last riff is kind of weird. You're coming up here. They call Eric Clapton slow hand for a reason, so don't think you gotta go super fast through any of this stuff. Now, I wanna play you the whole solo, slowed down to give you a feel for the whole thing. That, my friends, is a solo to Sunshine of Your Love. Practice it slow, get it right, and that's that.